thought to myself,
all right, Tracy, what's wrong with the mower?
when you pull it, it makes a noise, but it doesn't start.
So you pull it, it makes a noise, it doesn't start.
It goes like, vroom.
Okay. Okay, that's close. That's good. So, team?
It has like no spark to it, you know?
No spark, yeah.
Yeah.
So, team, it's Tuesday. I got my slippers on. The girls got beer and alcohol, and we're going to get to it and see what's wrong with this thing. So, Tracy, what did you do?
I emptied the gas with a baser. You know, those little things.
Turkey baster?
Turkey baster.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
And put that into an old can.
All right.
And then I went out, I bought new gas, put the new gas in.
Right.
It still didn't start.
Okay.
And then I took the air filter off, sprayed it with starter fluid.
All right. Ain't that something? So we got a lot more troubleshooting than we usually get on these things. So, because she shot it with ether and it didn't start, let's pull the plug off and see what the hell's going on. And you tried to get a 5/8 wrench, right? Couldn't find one?
Oh, that's right, I couldn't find it.
Alright, well, I'll give you this one.
Ooh, this audience stinks.
Hey, you never know, you might be stars after this.
I got halfway there, you know, we can give you half credit.
Yeah.
Hey, so we already found the problem.
What?
Now, if you can see that,
It's
but
black.
the plug cannot physically start, and it cannot physically start because the point here and the electrode, they are already touching, so you got shit in there already, so it can't start. So we're going to show this to Tracy. So do you see how it's like grimy a little bit? You see how there's shit right there?
Yeah. Needs to be cleaned or replaced.
Yo, my beer is in that direction.
Now you see how like there's a gap there? Nothing's touching it?
Yeah.
Is that the only thing that needs to be done? Because if so, I'm laughing.
It sounds...
Give it a good blow.
Yeah. Never know. You gotta blow on it sometimes, you know?
That's what she said.
If that thing starts, I'm gonna throw up.
Well, we'll start, but it does smell like water a little bit, though.
It does?
Yeah, so where are you keeping this thing? In the shed or something?
No, in the backyard.
In the backyard?
Wood over top of it.
What about tarp? You got a tarp or something?
I do.
Yeah, tarp too?
Put a tarp on it. Why are you laughing?
So you wrap it.
You wrap it, Tracy.
I did for the winter.
Well, folks, the girls think this is funny. I don't. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it a couple times to get any shit that's still in the cylinder out, because I think there's condensation in the cylinder. It's probably from the winter from sitting too. Yeah, and there's some stuff that's spit over here. Now, it could have been just gas from the carb, but we got company. Neighbors tearing it up on the mower, coming down the road. Yeah.
Make the mashed great up there.
I think
If that thing starts, I'm gonna throw up.
that's the neighbor that makes his own meat.
Oh, really?
Remember that?
I'm gonna throw up.
I hope you don't throw up.
Okay, so still no start. So I do want to see what the spark plug looks like after we pulled it a couple times. Because there still might be some water in the carburetor. And the carburetor is wet.
It is.
Yeah, and it smells like water. It smells between like water. Here, smell it. Get that smell? Okay. Now hold on.
It smells like gas.
But does it smell like this?
No, that's stronger.
Right. So you got water in the carburetor.
So how do I fix that?
We can. You gotta. Yeah, there's a lot of water in this thing. But that's okay. So, Tracy knows this. Doctor, forceps.
That was on YouTube earlier. Yep.
Forcep that. Let's take this all.
Oh, what's all that?
So that's an overflow. So that's because I spilled it on it.
Oh.
Well, it's actually not water. That's actually gasoline.
Oh, wow.
So that's because I have it turned over on the side.
I was worried.
So that's just an overflow. That's okay. That's from me. So don't freak out.
Ivy, get over here.
Hello. So no matter how much I would have sprayed the starter fluid, it would never started.
No, because there's so much water on the plug. She was going to tell you to piss off. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Hey! This thing has a plastic carburetor.
You're cold, drink another beer.
If I'm cold, no, I'm fighting off mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes? Mosquitoes are out already?
There's one right in my fucking eye,
Really?
but I will have to.
So the girls are drinking. We're getting the mower ready.
Would be a good one.
I would be streaking. Yeah. No, it's great, great.
So in the next video, we're gonna put 10 beers in each of the girls. And then they said they'd go streaking.
No one wants that.
I don't know if you want to see that.
Nope. Nobody wants that.
This quarantine diet we're all on. So the carburetor is that black bowl, right?
Yeah. Yep. And this is a goofy one. This is the new type of carburetors. They're all plastic.
Ivy, Ivy.
Alright, so we're gonna leave that all connected. And let's take this sucker apart. See what this thing looks like. Definitely got to spray some carb cleaner. Carb cleaner helps dry out any water that's in the bowl. But some stuff already drained out. So we'll see what's ever left. There's probably not going to be much left in this. But it's plastic, so shouldn't really be much damage from the water.
So the stuff that leaked out was the water.
The stuff that leaked out, no, like originally, that was gas. There's a little overflow thing here.
over, you'll learn.
Oh, good. Oh, have to learn.
See, and I thought about taking that part
Okay,
off,
so
but
this
it's
is-
really weird.
You know what our neighbors have? You should look at. If I was a single lady, I would totally get this. It's a automatic lawnmower that just like
They're pricey.
it's like a Roomba, but it's a lawn. Yeah, it just goes around the lawn nonstop.
Can you imagine my neighbor would say about that?
Oh. Yeah, you're right. Whatever.
I'm surprised how tough. There we go. There we go.
Oh, shit. What's supposed to happen?
What, the fuel coming out? Yeah.
Don't mind me, audience.
So in here, this doesn't look bad. Right. So we're going to do quality control on this gasoline. And see what we got bad and good.
Everything's on fire. So what are you doing now?
So what I'm doing now is I'm draining the gasoline out of the tank, and we're going to analyze the fuel quality.
Why?
Well, there was water in the system. Tracy said she drained it with a turkey baster, which is good, but we're going to check to see if there's any residual water in there. Because water and gasoline separate, they hate one another. And whatever's left in here, we will find out. We'll see what it looks like.
Brad,
Ivy, come on.
Good girl. Oh yeah.
Girl, I need your diet.
You hold. You go in. You take her. You go in.
Can you tell there's water in there?
Yes, you can, and I will show you how. But I don't know if the people on YouTube can see, but at the bottom, see that sloshing around? That is water.
Is it almost like separation?
Yep, it's exactly what it is. See that?
Yeah, I can see it right there.
Yeah, see,
Wow.
you got water. So water was in the carb and it got in there. Ain't that something?
It is.
So there's still water in the fuel. You had the right thought though, Tracy. I'm draining her out. pants so I don't embarrass nobody.
Already embarrassed. Too late.
Already embarrassed.
Do you want help?
Yeah, we're good. I think so. Okay.
So even if there was like a little bit in the bottom, that still could have been enough to.
Yeah, and there's a lot more here too.
Really?
So there's still more left in there. See that?
Yeah, I can see it. Oh,
Was
Jesus
that the
Christ.
issue last time?
It was?
Water in the gun.
The problem is, I need to have
I thought you wrapped it.
Well, I did for the winter. All right, so I promise we're not going to have this problem next year because my brother's going to put in the
So what we're also going to do is put some stabilizer in there. So whatever droplets are left in this damn thing, they're going to go bye-bye. Okay. So starter fluid or carb cleaner will work. It'll evaporate any water that's left in it. Where did the doohickey go? The bottom bowl of the carburetor. I put it somewhere. My life story.
It's like tractor truck. In the garage?
Probably. There it is, right where we left it. Oh, Amy?
Yes.
You heard it.
Viewers, happy wife, happy life.
Viewers, you hear that? From the wife herself. Happy wife, happy life.
Words to live by, y'all.
Words to live by. Okay.
I just don't understand how the water gets in there if everything's closed.
Well, especially during wintertime, I mean, you'd be amazed how water gets in.
So even a tarp may not do it.
Well, 'cause you get snow, and then it freezes, turns into ice.
Is that true? Even a tarp wouldn't do it?
No, a tarp would help.
Yeah, but I had a tarp over it all winter.
You definitely had a tarp over it,
Yes. I even put rocks on top to make sure the tarp wouldn't blow away.
Yeah.
They were my Spanish rocks.
yeah? Spanish rocks.
All the Spanish people have rocks around them.
Oh. Si, senor.
Out of the canal.
Sorry, I shouldn't have said that.
Si, senor.
Brad,
What? I'm saying si, senor.
I'm sure we have a very understanding audience.
We have a politically correct audience.
I'm gonna have to watch this video before you post it.
Yeah, definitely. I don't think this is one to post.
Why? I'm posting it.
No shame.
What's wrong with that?
Amy's like cringing over there.
I am cringing.
Why?
That's never mind. I'm about to say.
So who came up with the word cringe? Cringes like you do something embarrassing and you
Albert
can't.
Einstein.
It derived from some other Latin.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein came up with it?
No. I would vote not Albert Einstein.
Okay. Now this carburetor is a press fit on carburetor. So you literally press it on. Now we gotta hook the fuel line back up.
So in the carburetor, what does a flop thingy do?
The flop thingy?
The metal thing, yeah.
So the flop thingy is called the, wait, which flop thingy? Like
the silver thing right there.
this thing?
On the inside, yeah.
So this is your, it's like a, that's your choke plate really, but this thing might act as a throttle as well. No, it's a choke plate. So this is like an automatic start thing, like an easy start they call it.
Yeah.
So you see it's like, it defaults to closed, so that's where you're gonna get more fuel than air, so that way it starts easier. So it's like a self-choke. And then you have a throttle plate inside. I can't get my, there we go. And they have a throttle plate inside that the governor actually says, hey, you're good, or hey, you're bad.
Hey, Brian.
Yo.
The word cringe comes from the Old English word cringet, meaning to give way, to fall, or to become bent, which is exactly what your body does when you cringe.
Interesting. There you go. Latin,
Old English.
Old English. Amy, thank you for the wonderful explanation. Thank Google.
That was jamming it up. Did you hear that? Oh, yeah, got cold. I didn't start a timer, Brad. Dang it.
Oh man. Well, the YouTube video only records 15-minute increments, so if I got more than 2 increments, we're in trouble.
Yeah, because I was wondering why your video cut off on the concrete thing you were doing on the side of the road.
When did it
That
cut?
big yellow thing that you
Oh, did it cut out and go to something else?
No, it just stopped. Like the video stopped.
It stopped? Oh, I gotta check it out then. It's supposed to keep going. I'm supposed to like loop the videos. Did it loop? Did it stop in the beginning or later on?
No, like at the very end.
At the end? Okay. Alright, so.
I was bored. I worked the other day and I just started watching.
Yeah. That's
I
good.
was learning something new.
No, it's good. I need all the help I can get, you know? So you got some gasoline, you said?
I do.
Let's check out that quality. Whoa.
Everybody knows I got this at Giant for $1.99.
$1.99 a Giant.
Yo, that was prickly pear ones. What's your prickly pear and lime?
I don't see no water in that one.
Do we see any water? I see no water. This looks like good gasoline.
Yeah. You actually gave me that gas tank.
Oh yeah.
That's right.
Wait, so what did you get at Giant for $1? Your gas?
$1.99. I got the gas.
The can?
For a gallon. It's a
I
gallon
thought
of
you
gas.
said Brad just gave you
Yeah, but
No,
she
last time.
filled it for $1.99.
Oh, okay. Got it. Understanding people, break it down. I am a new viewer.
So on the way over here, every time I hit a bump, it went glunk. And I was like, people behind me, it's okay.
And we're gonna give her some courtesy MMO.
Oh, not that door. That's not open. This one. Please do not judge by our basement. It's in shambles. You don't understand.
So we're gonna give it some cranks just to get the shit out of it. All right, and then we're going to install the spark plug. There's a lot of water in this thing. And Tracy went to what? Drop a deuce?
Probably. No. She wants to pee. Number 1.
Okay.
You can't post this video.
Why? What's wrong with the video?
I'm just asking her.
I'm sure the viewers want to know where Tracy went. Okay. Let's see what she does. She's running. So why don't you give her a start? Make sure you give it the seal of approval. And then we can sign off on this horrendous video.
Alrighty. Last time I tried this, it won't start.
Oh. It's beautiful.